Is your Ecovacs Deebot Ozmo 950 acting a little confused? Bumping into walls like it's playing bumper cars? Getting lost in the middle of the living room? You're not alone. The laser sensor error, or faulty LiDAR, is a common problem we see with the Ecovacs Deebot Ozmo 950. Essentially, the LiDAR is the eye of your robot vacuum. It uses lasers to map your home and navigate efficiently. When it malfunctions, the vacuum can't see properly. It's like trying to drive with a blindfold on. Ignoring this error means your Deebot won't clean effectively, wasting its battery and leaving your floors dirty. Nobody wants that. Don't let your Deebot go rogue. At RoboCare, we've seen countless Ecovacs robots with LiDAR issues, especially the Deebot Ozmo 950. Our technicians have specialized training and years of experience diagnosing and repairing these complex navigation systems. We know exactly what to look for. We utilize advanced diagnostic software and specialized tools to pinpoint the root cause of the problem, whether it's a faulty sensor, a damaged motor, or a software glitch. We don't just guess, we accurately identify the issue. Our repair process typically involves replacing the faulty LiDAR unit with a genuine component, ensuring accurate mapping and efficient cleaning. We then recalibrate the system to ensure optimal performance. Enough talk. Now, let's show you the amazing results we can achieve. Look at that precision. The same Deebot, now flawlessly mapping and cleaning. That's the RoboCare difference. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
Honestly, I'm so grateful to RoboCare. They brought my Deebot back to life. If you're having any problems with your Ecovacs Deebot, especially if it's acting crazy and bumping into everything, don't hesitate to contact RoboCare. They are the best.
Don't let a faulty LiDAR keep your Deebot down. Contact us today and let us restore your robot vacuum to its former glory.